Friends, in the last video we had discussed about the service and goods tax. In this video we will discuss about the National Commission for Scheduled Caste. As we know, the National Commission of Scheduled Caste is a constitutional body that is established for the safeguard interest of the scheduled castes. It was originally a part of the Combined Commission of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes, but now these two commissions has been apart with each other. The Article 338 of the Constitution deals with the National Commission of Scheduled Castes, and originally it was set up in 1990 under the Article 338. In 89 Constitutional Amendment Act of 2003 bifurcated the commission into National Commission of Scheduled Caste, that is Article 338, and National Commission of Scheduled Tribe, that is Article 338A. And National Commission for SCs came into existence in 2004. It is mainly composed of chairperson, vice chairperson, 3 other members are there. All the members are appointed by the President of India. Their tenure is not mentioned in the Constitution of India, but it is mainly determined by the President. Currently, they have the 3 years of tenure. The main function of National Commission of Scheduled Castes is to investigate and monitor the safeguards for SC, and it inquires the complaint regarding the deprivation of rights, and it is also participate in planning socio-economic development of the SCs, and it submit the annual report to the President, and President set the report to the Parliament, and it advise on the legislative and executive safeguards of SCs. The National Commission of Scheduled Caste act as a power of the civil court, summoning and enforcing attendance, requiring production of documents, receiving evidences on affidavits, and can investigate suo moto or on petition. This commission act as a watchdog for the SC's right and help improve implementation of affirmative actions, bridges the gap between the law and the ground reality, because there is lots of difference between the law and the ground reality, strengthen autonomy and funding of the commission, increase public awareness about the commission, time-bound implementation of recommendations, capacity building of commission members, and the National Commission of Scheduled Caste plays a vital role in social justice. Reforms and awareness can make it more effective, and it is important for inclusive governance in India. Recent developments has been done, that is recent reports on the caste-based discrimination, recommendations on reservation policies, and actions on atrocities against SCs by the other group of the societies. There are certain challenges or there. Limited enforcement powers, dependence on the executive for its implementation, and in sometimes there is also delay in the report submission, and beneficiary is also not aware about the commission. Some questions had been asked in the previous year. The question number first that had been asked in the prelims 2016. The question is, consider the following statement. First, the NCSC has the power to investigate and monitor all the matters related to the safeguards provided for SCs. Second, it also has the power to inquire into specific complaints with respect to the deprivation of rights and safeguards of SCs. Which of the statement given below is correct? A. First only. B. Second only. C. Both first and second. D. Neither one nor second. Kindly give your answers in the comment section. Question number second is, consider the following statement. The function of the NCSC are: first, to investigate and monitor all the matters relating to the safeguards provided for the scheduled caste under the Constitution or under any other law; to inquire into specific complaints with respect to the deprivation of the rights and safeguards of the scheduled caste; third, to participate and advise on the planning process of socio-economic development of the scheduled caste and to evaluate the progress of their development; Which of the statement given below is correct? First, A. First only, B. First and second only, C. Second and third only, D. First, second and third. Kindly give your answers in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.